Guys, for today's video, I'll teach you how to install VirtualBox. So choose any browser apps in your device. So I choose Google Chrome. Click and type VirtualBox. Press enter. Then choose the first option, the Oracle VirtualBox. So in the website, click download the top of the website. Here in the left panel, click Windows, but it depends on your OS you are using. So I using Windows, so I choose Windows. Wait for the download. After downloading, click next, accept the terms. So then click next, next, and click yes, yes, and next. So click install and wait. So the installing is finished. So click finish. The virtual box is already installed. So click open. I click and click open. So here's the virtual box. Thank you for watching.